So guys, please join me for this incredible POV night drive, a POV night drive with the all-new Mercedes-Benz S-Class of model year 2021. On the first part of the video, you will see me sitting here in the driver's seat, enjoying all the goodies that we have up front here in this wonderful illuminated cockpit with the digital instrument cluster here. And in the second part of the video, you will see me sitting in the back, and there I will have a massage, some television and some nice gadgets as well. So we had a long debate already about those digital instrument clusters, but Mercedes-Benz really brings it to the next level with the S-Class, and I'm really hoping that this kind of technology will also make it into something like a new C-Class or a new E-Class, because you cannot see it, I think, on the video, but this cluster is actually three-dimensional. The speedometer is in the first layer, and there's something back like an horizon, and if you have some stats of the car like consumption, or if you do a telephone call and have your call list in there, it is further back. So you have different layers in there. It feels like three-dimensional, like you can actually grab it. And also the resolution of that screen is simply amazing. I mean, you can see it already here. That looks like a retina display of an iMac or something like that. Pretty amazing. And you of course have the possibility to switch through different, let's say, scenes. I had this on a very minimal screen now. You can go to sporty as well. Also there, it is three-dimensional, like the speed and the ref counter are on different levels. I'm so sorry I cannot really show it to you, but it's very nice. It's recognizable for the human eye, but probably is not even coming across on camera. Secondly, you can also get to something like a very exclusive speedometer, which of course looks very classy, and then you could get to something like the classy Mercedes-Benz look. Also their speedometers are on the first level, and the little stats in the middle are like, it feels like they're a centimeter behind. Or something like navigation is also something that you can pick. You get this map here. I mean, this is like, it's almost hypnotizing you, because yeah, it's showing you like there is a map inside the display. I'm honestly blown away on how good this let's say animation and this view is. I don't know if maybe some people would have problems with that, but I did not recognize any issues. It is simply nice, and you have the feeling like there is more behind than just the back of this display. The next thing that you can do, and I don't know if you can see it up front there, is to turn on or configure this augmented reality head-up display. If I'm pressing on it and going into the top menu, there's something like augmented reality, and I can move that around. I can configure the content which is in there, and I mean, it's just huge. It has the size of a car that is running in front of you. Pretty amazing as well. So let's go back to the to this very minimal view, because it takes the same color as the interior color, and of course you can change that to any color that you want. This is just how I configured it now. I not only switched the color for you, but I put the GoPro just let's say next to the speedometer, hoping that you are able to see this three-dimensional view. But it seems to be, you can already see this blinking indicators. Those are cameras detecting where your eyes are and where you're sitting, and depending on that, they are probably creating this 3D view view, and I don't think that the camera can actually collect what I'm seeing. And nevertheless, I think it's pretty interesting, and put everything into this sporty red now, as we put it also maybe too dynamic. It's not really a dynamic car, but still wanted to try out how it accelerates and how it sounds. Oh, handling is quite nice. And that's already 100. You know, it's the long wheelbase. That means, of course, the shorter wheelbase will be more agile and, of course, a lot lighter. But nevertheless, I think that's already a pretty decent acceleration and a good six-cylinder sound. And something which is pretty amazing is this turning circle. I mean, you're just turning on a spot with the long wheelbase. Just driving back and irritating everybody that such a big vehicle can turn around that nicely. Actually, you know what? Let's find a free spot here, and I want to show you a short acceleration 0 to 100 just to get a glimpse. So that's already 100. I think that's quite okay for such a heavy car, and it's not the biggest engine yet. So I will now jump to the back, and I will leave you alone with some nice view and relaxing massage from the back. Hope you enjoyed watching this video, and tell me your thoughts, what you think about this kind of car. I think it's truly next gen. I'm definitely looking forward to your comments.